What's up, YouTube? So this is 6S Hunting Guide. I'm John the Madman Bergeson. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll see some videos of hunting and various things throughout nature. I'll be cleaning up the videos I have, and if you see me looking around, it's because I'm out deer scouting this morning. So far I've seen 14, 6 bucks, 4 of which were decent bucks. Where I'm from, the area I hunt, a decent buck is 3x3. We have blacktail. Some people differ or disagree that there's a mule deer cross, so we have some blacktail mule deer. We have what I believe is a blacktail mule deer cross. But I'm making this video this morning to do a little tutorial or something to help people out with a knot called the bowline. If you say it slowly or you pronounce it out right, the way it's spelled is bowline. So I'm going to show you a real easy way to tie a bowline, a real easy way to remember it. I learned it in Boy Scouts. I'm 42. I was about 13 years old when I learned this knot. And I think it's one of the most beneficial knots anyone could ever know. The reason why is it won't seize up on itself. You can put a ton of pressure on it. Now granted, any knot you can put enough pressure on it to break it or melt it, depending on the rope you're using. But for the most part, this knot is unbeatable. And this video is brought to you this morning by CaliforniaShootingSupplies.com. So let me grab my rope. I got my K-bar knife that was sent to me also by CaliforniaShootingSupplies.com. The bowline, you can use it for all kinds of things, one of which is called a trucker knot. It's for tying down loads. You can use a bowline just for securing things. Like I said, it's very versatile and very easy to do. Okay, so let's get to it. The easy way to do a bowline is you make a simple loop like this. So now you have the tag end or loose end. You made a large loop, and the rabbit's going to go out of its hole, around the tree, which is the part of the rope that is above the loop, and back through its hole. And that is it. That is the best knot you will ever use. You can put as much pressure as you want on this thing, and you will always be able to untie it by simply pulling on the loop that was the rabbit's hole. And it'll come undone, and you don't create what we like to call in my family a hatchet knot. Hatchet knot is any knot that someone puts in a line that you end up having to cut the line to get it off. There's also another little trick I learned in Boy Scouts. If you ever need to get a rope around yourself, you can simply hold the rope out, hold your tag line, cross over, create that same hole. Now the rabbits come out of the hole, goes around the tree, grab it, pull back. Now you have a rope that is around you that you can easily get undone again by just pulling the loop. That's all you got to do. So I hope this short video really helps anyone out there that needs to learn how to tie stuff down or just anything. I mean, it's an unbelievable knot. It's one of the best knots you'll ever learn.